Now, back in the UK, this is more like it. This is where our chocolate molds are made. As you can see, it's a more formal environment, and they have got systems. The quality of their products is amazing, and I'm not going to junk them just because they provide data in the wrong format. But it would be handy if we could find a way of picking this up electronically. Well, that was us 18 months ago. Thankfully, since then, we've implemented a solution from HULFT, and it's met all of these competing data demands, including integration, automation, transfer, extraction, and conversion. The software is already used by over 10,000 companies around the world, so they already knew exactly what we needed. They made integrating to my systems quick and easy, and for others like my guys in South America, they were able to connect all necessary data and put it into the right format. As a result, we're more efficient as a business, headcount is more strategic, and as the business owner, I have far better visibility across the entire operation. This has worked for me. See what HULFT can do for you.